Up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, click that subscribe button down right here and stay up to date with my newest videos, guys. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna get right into it, man. So we're working on the Lightning, guys, that I picked it up 2 weeks ago. I didn't have any chance to work on it. My brother started working on it, and I'll show you guys where we're at. So let's get back into it. Right, guys, so here it is, man. We just pulled out the engine. My brother went ahead and did almost all the work, 98% on it. Wasn't available. Had a lot of work on my personal life. But here it is, guys. I came to the shop, helped them out with what I can now. But the engine's out. So, a little backstory on this truck, guys. This is a customer from Mission, Texas. And he contacted me through Instagram, and he's a subscriber to my channel. So he purchased this truck a while back. He sent it off to get painted and everything. So it's painted brand new, guys. Everything through the inside, everything's pretty damn brand new. It has a triple shine gloss on it. So he also fixed the interior, but I'll show you guys that in a bit. But he contacted us and told me about the issues with the truck. I told him, let's put a date, we'll meet, I'll go pick it up, we'll work on the truck. So we drove the truck, and he drove the truck almost to Roma. I went and picked it up. It's an hour away from here, so I picked it up. Once I got home, I started the truck, and it had some rough idle on it. So right then and there, I said, you know what, it's a spark plug or a coil, something's going on. So I couldn't do anything on that day, so I waited 3 days. Then we brought it to the shop. I started working on it. So I was changing spark plugs. That's my first thing. I was going through the spark plugs. Boom. Found out cylinder 3 misfire. So I went in there, took out the spark plug on this one, guys. And whenever I took it out, this truck had already blown the spark plugs. So somebody had worked the threads on it, but they didn't do the 8 thread ones. They put some little tabs, but I don't like those kinds. I use another kinds, guys, to do this job. And I took it out, checked the spark plug, and I saw the spark plug was wet. I smelled it. It smelled like coolant. I was like, you know what? Let me go in with my little camera and check everything inside. So the truck had been sitting at the house for about 3 to 4 days. By the time we got it to the shop, and we didn't drove it here. We brought it on the trailer, so we just unloaded it here. So I'll show you guys. I think I still have the video. I'm going to put it here on the screen if I do. The thing had cooling inside. So as I turned my camera a little bit sideways, I noticed that on the cylinder wall, you guys will see there was some coolant dripping through it. So it's a head gasket that's bad. I couldn't see the valves because my camera is not that expensive. I don't have the ones that go 360. You could like go up like the Border Patrol guys use. So I told him what was up. He said, okay, you know what, David, pull the engine out, man. He sent me all the parts, the new head gaskets, new timing chains, everything. He's like, we're going to get everything inspected, get the engine out. We're going to get everything fixed out. So I'm trying to find some heads, guys. I think from 2002, the 2002 F-150s, from August 2002 and up, that's when they switched to the 8-thread spark plugs, because these are the 4. This is a 2001, so we've been trying to find some at the junkyards, man, and some people, they're like, nah, we don't have any. I mean, we've seen some regular F-150s because it's the same heads from any 99 to 2004 F-150s, the same thing. So we haven't found any, but if we don't find any, I'm going to do my, I'm going to go in there, drill everything out, and put the taps I use. They work perfect. I mean, they're expensive, but they work perfect, guys. And it would be a cool videos to show you guys how to fix that, man, because there's not too many videos on how to fix the spark plugs on the 2 valves. And another thing, we're looking at the engine. There's a couple of stuff that's been grinded down on the block. I don't know the previous owners before. I don't know if they messed around with it or whatever it is. But I mean, we're gonna try to get this truck going. And he was gonna go with cams and stuff like that. Then after that, I told him the prices and all that kinds of stuff. And it takes a little bit of time now due to the pandemic. He's like, you know what, we'll just fix it, send the heads, inspect the block, pistons, everything. If everything is okay, we'll just put back everything, guys. New timing change, the heads checked out, and we'll get this truck back online, you know. It had some mods, single blade throttle body, it had a 6-pound lower pulley, stock upper, has full exhaust. And the thing is that when you buy a used truck and you don't know who tuned it, I mean, you have a couple of issues, but I mean, this is where we're at right now, guys. The engine was just pulled out. So I'm going to show you guys the interior on this truck. It's really nice. So you guys can check it out. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you guys the interior on this truck, man. It's really, really nice. I love the center console, man. There's something it makes it more of a sport look. Brand new seats. Seats were done at a shop there in Mission. But man, this truck is in mid condition, man. I mean, it's pretty nice. Everything's painted really, really good. Like I said, it has 93 or 94,000 miles, 2001. Center console, the other seats. Everything's really, really good, man, on this truck. So we're gonna try to get it running 100% again. I'm also gonna do, we're also gonna do twin Walbros 255s on it. He wants a little bit of more better fuel pumps. So this is the intercooler, guys, turkey pan. I'm going to ask him if he wants to get electric fans once we're here. If he wants to, we'll do it. If not, we're also going to do an Egr Delete, guys. That's the old Egr. I already have all the parts at the house. All the new headlights, the supercharger, and look, it had a single blade. There you go. So this, I want to try to do a really, really nice paint job on this one, guys. I'm going to try to go all the way. I'll let you guys know whenever you see it what color we're going to go with. But I'm going to try to go all out on this one, man. Okay, it's a really nice truck. And I told the owner, I was like, you know what, dude, I'm going to do a really good job on it. I'm going to try to get you a very nice paint on it and some gloss on it. So something I'm going to try new on them. The other ones, I don't go with gloss. I just go with the paint. Like the other ones that other people, I mean, whenever we do this, we include the paint on it, so it already goes with it. Some people like them painted, some people don't, but we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna paint it pretty good. That's the 6-pound lower pulley, fuel rails, alternator, all the plastics that come off the engine, guys. So I just wanted to do this a short video, guys, and show you what's up here at the shop, because I haven't had any chance to post any videos. It's not because we're lacking on work. No, it's because on my personal life I do work a lot, guys, and my schedule changed a little bit, so that's why. So bear with me on that, guys. I mean, we're close to getting 4,000 subscribers, man. Let's try to get up there, guys. But that's all we have for today, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.